Congratulations on your recent whole house fan purchase and for selecting the RT3 remote control, the only remote control that offers a choice of using temperature or timer to control your whole house fan. Before we get started, make sure that windows are open. Refer to your whole house fan manual for more information on this topic. Let's take a quick tour of the remote. In temperature mode, the remote displays the indoor temperature, the set to or comfort temperature, the fan speed, and whether the fan is on or off. WL is displayed once the remote is linked to the radio module installed near the fan. The outdoor temperature will also be displayed if the optional outdoor temperature sensor is installed. Now let's take a look at timer mode. In timer mode, the remote displays the timer as well as the indoor temperature, fan speed, WL, and whether the fan is on or off. The outdoor temperature may also be displayed. Your remote may have already been powered up by the installer. If not, use the pull tab on the back of the remote to activate the batteries already installed. The remote will automatically link to the radio module. The remote features a motion-activated display. When the remote is inactive or set down, it goes into a sleep mode and only wakes up periodically to update. This maintains battery life. When the remote is lifted, the display lights up and updates. You may hear the tilt mechanism when you move the remote. This is perfectly normal. There are a few things you should know about your remote. When pressing a key on the remote, make sure to press the key firmly rather than a quick tap. It's best to press the key until you see the action you're looking for. Here's a quick example. I'll press the on-off key until on is displayed, then release. Now I'll press the on-off key until off is displayed, then release. The response time in the fan is usually immediate, but can take several seconds if the remote is in the middle of a task. Changes made are saved when the backlight turns off. The remote includes a few options. The options are accessed by holding the mode key for about 7 seconds until the first option is displayed. The mode key is used to advance through the options. The options include the outdoor temperature limit, if the optional sensor is installed, safety timer hours, and number of speeds for the fan installed. We'll go over the outdoor temperature sensor and safety timer shortly. The remote offers two operating modes, temperature or timer. In timer mode, the fan runs for the time set, then turns off. Temperature mode offers a lot more control of your fan and improves comfort and energy efficiency. In temperature mode, the fan cools your home to the set to temperature or the comfort temperature, then turns off, just like your home's thermostat. Overcooling and running the fan longer than needed are eliminated. You no longer have to get up at night to turn the timer off because it's too cold or to extend the timer because the fan turned off too soon. Switching between modes is easy. Right now the remote is in temperature mode, indicated by the indoor and set to temperatures displayed. For timer mode, press the mode key, then press the up key until timer is displayed. The timer setting is now displayed instead of the set to temperature. To return to temperature mode, press the mode key, then press the down key until the temperatures are displayed. Let's do it one more time. For timer control, press mode, then press up until the timer is displayed. Return to temperature mode by pressing mode, then pressing down until the temperatures are displayed. Let's now take a look at controlling the fan using temperature. To turn the fan on, press the on-off key until on is displayed. If you need to adjust your comfort temperature, press and hold either the up or down key to make the change. Your fan will turn on if your comfort temperature is below the indoor temperature. Once the home cools to your comfort temperature, the fan goes to an idle position and is ready to turn back on if the indoor temperature warms up again. The remote will indicate on when the fan is running or idle. The remote will display off when the fan is turned off using the on-off key or when the built-in safety timer expires. Some things to know about temperature control. The fan will never just turn on. You must always turn the fan on using the on-off key. In addition, there is a built-in safety timer that operates in the background and will automatically turn the fan off the following morning in case you forget. The safety timer is adjustable from 1 to 12 hours. To adjust the safety timer hours, press and hold the mode key to access the options. If necessary, press mode to display S timer. Press and hold the up or down key to adjust the hours, then release. The change will be saved when the backlight turns off. The safety timer starts when the fan is turned on using the on-off key. These features ensure that the fan will not turn on when windows are not open. That's it for temperature control. Simply turn the fan on, adjust your comfort temperature if necessary. The remote and the fan will cool your home to your desired comfort level. Now let's take a look at timer mode. Press the mode key, then press the up key until timer mode is displayed. There are two ways to adjust your timer setting. Adjusting the timer while the fan is off sets this timer as your preferred timer setting and will be used each time the fan is turned on. Adjusting the timer while the fan is on sets the timer only for that timer interval. To turn the fan on, simply press the on-off key until on is displayed. That's it for timer control. The fan will run for the time displayed. Next up is changing the fan speed. The number of fan speeds available is determined by the type of fan you have installed and should have been set during installation. Simply press the speed key and then press the up or down key to change the speed. For a 1-speed fan, you can only select high speed. For a 2-speed fan, you can select high or low speed. For a 3-speed fan, you can select high, medium, or low speed. Earlier, we mentioned the optional outdoor temperature sensor. An outdoor temperature sensor can be installed to delay fan operation when the outdoor temperature is too warm for cooling. The limit defaults to 80 degrees but can be adjusted using the options. Currently, the outdoor temperature is below the 80-degree limit. Fan operation will not be delayed if I turn my fan on, and my fan is running. Now let's illustrate what happens if the outdoor temperature is above the limit set. I need to access the options to lower the limit. Press and hold the mode key until the outdoor temperature limit is displayed. I'm going to lower the limit to 74, which means that fan operation should be delayed because the outdoor temperature is above the limit I just set. Let's turn the fan on. The remote indicates the fan is on, but it's also indicating limit, so I know that fan operation is being delayed until the outdoor temperature drops below the limit. If you're interested in adding the outdoor temperature sensor to your installation, you will need model TS3, which is available through Amazon. That's it. If you have any questions about operating your RT3 remote or need help troubleshooting, please reach out. We're here to help.